Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, I'm Jarissa. Before anything, I want to say that I hope that you guys are doing well and that I hope that you're healthy and safe. I know that things are a little crazy right now, but we're all gonna make it through this if we take the right steps and if we take care of each other. Today I'm gonna be using a jacket that I bought at the thrift store, but that jacket I got a long time ago. I didn't get it now, I got it like almost 2 months ago. I have this idea of combining it with this purse that I found. This is like a fake Louis Vuitton bag. I had it for a while. It was a present. It's not good enough like to give it to somebody else because the handles are like breaking and stuff, so I don't like giving things like that away. So what I'm thinking about doing is reusing it. I was navigating through the Louis Vuitton website and I saw that they have a jacket that looks exactly like this one. I think I paid $4 for this jacket. So basically what I want to do is to put the two of these together and come up with something really cool. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I haven't done anything yet and I really hope that I don't mess this up because I love this jacket. Even though I'm gonna be using something that is thrifted, it doesn't mean that you need to use something like that. You can just use something that you had in your closet. And then this type of bags you can find on AliExpress. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so you never miss out when I post a new video, because I'm always posting things like this. So without any further ado, let's get into the DIY. First I had to make the patches, so I basically took a little bit of paper and started measuring more or less where I was going to put them. I had to make the shape of like the little flaps that cover the buttons on the front. I made the little pattern for that, and then I had to make the patterns for the front. I just kept on trimming the paper because I wanted to make sure that I had the right shape. I didn't just want to go into the material and, you know, just chop everything up and then end up with nothing, because it wasn't a lot of it. At the end I actually end up with extra material, so that was pretty cool. Then once I had the patterns, I started cutting the pieces. So first I cut the left side, and then you basically want to mirror that one in front of the material to then cut two pieces, so they have to be like opposite sides. And I just ended up cutting the two pieces that were gonna go on the front. I cut the two pieces that were gonna go on the bottom. I had a guidance bag, so I was basically just looking at this one to see the positioning that they have. You can just Google the Louis Vuitton print, and in that way you can see which icons they actually use. So once I had those, I just went ahead, printed them, cut them out, and then I just chose the ones that I thought would look the best. If I could work on something extra, it would probably be the monograms. Like the little flower wasn't that perfect, but it doesn't matter, it's a DIY and this is just an idea. This is something that you can do with basically any brand that you want. You can do it with Gucci, Chanel, or anything like that. And I absolutely love how this thing turned out. When I was using the silicone glue, I saw that you have to add that glue very fast, because if not, it kind of like dries really quick. So I was just like adding the glue and then putting it down real quick because I didn't want it to, you know, like get hard. If you don't press it down right away, then it doesn't stick. After I had all the little shapes, I just started like placing them to see where I was gonna put them, and then I just started to glue them on and to press down on them. In the end result, I think that I spent like $10 on this, maybe $7, because I paid $4 for the jacket, and then the silicone sticks I had here in the house, but I figured that, you know, it's probably like $2 for a full bag, and the original jacket that I saw was almost $2,000, so that was a steal. And yeah, I just love this thing. Let me put it on again. Get the bug, formula, you get the bug. I love this. I feel so cute. Nobody cares. Maybe everybody thinks this is ugly, but I actually loved it. I actually cut out the little hole where the bottom was supposed to go. You can even put this in there. I don't want to ruin my makeup. Oh my god, guys. Why am I so excited about this piece of crap? Anyways, making this was super fun. What took me the longest was probably making the patterns, but if you don't want to, you don't have to do that. You can just do it a cappella, or, you know, just improvise. I wanted to make sure that I was gonna have the right shape, so I didn't waste any material. And yeah, that was the only thing that was took me a little bit longer, but it wasn't that much. Maybe like, I don't know, like 10 minutes or something like that. Overall, it took me like less than an hour to make the whole thing. You know, when you have to make videos, it takes longer, but when you do it by yourself, it's like really easy. So just follow the steps as I showed you, and yeah, you're gonna end up with something like this. By the way, I'm gonna try to link a similar jacket in the description box, because I know that it may feel a little weird when you wanna make something like this and then you end up not being able to because you don't have the jacket. You can find a bag that has some kind of similar print to this on AliExpress. You just type designer bag, you put the name, and then you can find something like this, and you can get your material to make this. Why am I so hyped up about this thing? Woohoo! Oh my god, I need to cool down. Anyways, this was what I had to show you for today. I hope that you liked it. And by the way, guys, I can't forget to mention that I made a TikTok. I have a TikTok now. I'm not an old lady anymore. I'm trendy. I'm like doing what young people do. I don't know, whatever. You're gonna see me cleaning and some parts of my boring life in there. So if you're interested in seeing that, you can follow me. It's Jarissa DIY. And that was what I had to show you for today. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.